Everything comes at a cost. You do one thing, you don't do something else. Everything has a cost. You buy a ticket to the movies, it has a price associated with it. Everything we do in work, in our business, has a cost associated to it. Whilst we might not view it with a monetary value, reality is everything we do is costing us something, and it's important that we consider every piece of work that we're doing or every action that we're taking. We need to think about, is this the best investment of my time? After all, every single one of us only gets 24 hours in a day. Those that are most productive are those that know how to leverage their time to get a better return on investment. Are you getting the best return on investment that you possibly could, or are you just frittering your days away?